Strickland's release came after a 3-day hearing over the evidence in this case. So KSHB 41 News anchor Gabriella Pagan took a closer look at why the judge ruled in favor of setting aside Strickland's conviction. Gabriella.
Well, Kevin, his first trial ended in a hung jury. Kevin Strickland was found guilty during his second trial based on the sole eyewitness testimony of Cynthia Douglas, who passed away back in 2015. That is when Strickland's fight for innocence and his story, as well as Cynthia recanting her testimony, really began to pick up traction. That's according to one of Cynthia's childhood friends.
Cynthia Douglas and I were childhood friends. We grew up together, went to the same school. Later on in life, when I started working here, she came and talked to me several times about Kevin, and she said that she had identified the wrong person.
That was in 2004 when Wesson says Cynthia Douglas walked into the Call newspaper at 18th and Vine to confide in her friend, who happened to be a journalist.
And then she went through the whole scenario of how the police department came and kind of pressured her into saying that it was Kevin. Suggestive lineup, and she was going through a lot of trauma.
For decades, while Kevin Strickland fought for his innocence, Wesson says Cynthia Douglas wrestled with her decision, sharing her recantation with family, friends, and lawmakers who would listen. Around 2009, the Midwest Innocence Project took notice. And just this past August, a new law went into effect allowing prosecuting attorneys to look into cases they feel have been wrongly convicted.
And if they deem that the case is something that the court should look at to potentially set aside a wrongful conviction, they can, on their own, file a motion with the court and request that.
So the new law is essentially what freed Kevin Strickland?
Yes, this really new law is the only avenue that allowed for him to be released.
Even though others have pleaded guilty and been sentenced for the deaths Kevin Strickland sat in prison for 43 years for.
Finally, something that she participated in that was wrong was right now, and Kevin is out. I don't think it negates from the fact that he spent 43 years trying to prove his innocence and nobody would listen to him. Kevin's not a unique story. There are probably hundreds, if not thousands, of men that are in prison that are actually innocent.
In Jackson County, Gabriella Pagan, KSHB 41 News.
The Missouri Attorney General's office, who argued against Strickland's release in the evidentiary hearing, had this to say. In this case, we defended the rule of law and the decision that a jury of Mr. Strickland's peers made after hearing all of the facts in the case. The court has spoken. No further action will be taken in this matter.